So let's get to keeping it Realtor. For today's question, I drew, I'm working with a realtor. Am I still allowed to tour open houses? So I'll start the minute now. And long answer short, yes, you absolutely are allowed to still tour open houses. Usually the etiquette is that when you go into an open house, the realtor that is hosting the open house will allow you to tour the home, and they might ask you if you're working with a realtor. Now, a lot of people think that they ask that question because you're not supposed to be there, but that's not the case at all. The reason they are asking you that question is because they want to know if you're represented, and if so, they're going to leave you alone. It's kind of like picking somebody up at a bar, to be honest. If you're already taken, they're going to leave you be. And then usually they'll ask for the name of the realtor representing you so that they know who to follow up with if you seemed interested or if you had any questions. And honestly, this is what we recommend all of our clients doing. You're not hurting our feelings if you tour anything without us. So feel free to tour those open houses, completely allowed. And I finished that question in under a minute. If there's any other questions you would like us to address, please leave it in the comments below. We plan on putting a lot of content this year, so if you like what we've said today, like below and subscribe to our page. If you need any help with buying or selling real estate in Winnipeg, please feel free to reach out to me, Jennifer Queen, or anybody on my team. We're happy to help. What is our segment again? Keeping it Realtor.